This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Rear brake pad replacement. Pull the hood release lever near the driver's side kick panel. Slide the safety latch and raise the hood upward. Set the parking brake and block the front wheels. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts, raise the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Remove the wheels. Position a drain pan under the brake assembly and clean the caliper and surrounding area with brake system cleaner. Remove the brake hose retaining bolt and detach the brake hose from the bracket. Remove the 2 caliper mounting bolts, using another wrench to counterhold the guide pin. Lift the caliper from its mounting bracket, hang the caliper out of the way with a piece of wire or rest it securely on the control arm. Don't let it hang by the brake hose. Remove the inner and outer pads from the mounting bracket. Retract the caliper piston by engaging the tips of a pair of needle-nosed pliers with 2 of the grooves in the top of the piston and turning it clockwise until it bottoms out. A brake piston tool can also be used. Now, rotate the piston out until one of its grooves is aligned with the tab on the inner brake pad when you install the caliper. You may have to adjust the piston position by turning it back and forth until the tab aligns. If the piston dust boot becomes distorted when the piston is turned, turn the piston in the opposite direction to restore the shape of the boot, but make sure the cutout still lines up. As the piston is rotated into its bore, the fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir will rise. Make sure it doesn't overflow. If necessary, drain off some of the fluid and refill with the proper type of new fluid at the end of the procedure. Remove the upper and lower pad retaining clips from the caliper mounting bracket. If they are cracked or distorted, or you're in doubt of their condition, replace them. Also check the condition of the caliper clip and replace it if necessary. If desired, apply an anti-squeal compound to the brakes of the new pad backing plates, where they mate with the caliper and piston. Allow the compound to cure for a few minutes before installing the pads. Do not allow the compound to contact the disc. Remove the guide pins and clean them, inspecting them for scoring and corrosion. Then lubricate the pins with high-temperature brake grease. Insert the guide pins back into the bracket until the boot seats completely. Install the inner and outer brake pads into the mounting bracket. Position the caliper over the pads and install the mounting bolts. Tighten the caliper mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Attach the brake hose to the bracket and secure it with the bolt, tightening it securely. Repeat this procedure on the remaining rear brake pads. Pump the brakes several times to seat the pads against the disc. Install the rear wheels and lug nuts, then safely lower the vehicle. Tighten the wheel lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds. Unblock the front wheels.